If a customer has misplaced their loyalty card and they either need to replace their card or you need to search for their account manually, go to the payment page and then click on Find Account. You can search by either their first and last name or by their email or phone number. In this case, we'll search for John Smith. And we'll notice that there are several John Smiths that are current customers to the store. And so we will ask what the John Smith that is currently checking out, what his phone number is, and then we'll select that and we'll bring up his account. So in this case, we see he's got $0 on his balance. His next reward is a 25. He's made $15 to that next reward. If John Smith needs to replace his card, then we will go ahead and we'll click Replace Card, and we'll get prompted to swipe the new card. So pick up a new card and swipe. In this case, the card we swiped was already active, so if there is an error, you will see up there perhaps card already active. So we'll hit Replace Card again. It'll ask us to swipe a new card. We'll swipe that card, and now we see that disappears and the new card has been created. Swiping this card then brings up the account, John Smith. So we have now transferred John Smith to this new card. And we can do this as many times as we want. So we'll swipe another new card and it'll get transferred right back over to the next card. Accounts are not actually transferred via card. They're referenced in the database. If a customer loses a card, his old card will be disabled. If you find a card, you can use it again, assuming it's not currently active. But if you find a disabled card, you can reuse it again without worrying about potentially leaking a customer's personal information, because none of those again are actually on the physical card. Also, it's important to note that when you replace a card, it'll add a 50-cent fee to the transaction because the cards cost somewhere in the vicinity of 40 to 50 cents each. And so if the store has 200 people losing a card per month, that's $100 the store has to eat. So to offset that cost, if a customer needs to replace their card, 50 cents.